Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dan Sayad kitchen show, the cooking show. We're happy to have you with us today. For all our new subscribers and the old subscribers, welcome, grab a seat and enjoy today's recipe together with us. So today we're going to do ground beef mini hamburgers, and we're going to do that with an accompanying sauce. So we hope that and some vegetables as well, so we hope you're going to enjoy this. Thank you and welcome. So to start us off, we're going to have some red chili, just like that. We're going to have some paprika. It's paprika. We're gonna add black pepper into that. Yep. And then we're gonna add some salt. Some rosmary. We're gonna add some garlic powder. With some garlic powder, some lemon pepper, yeah, some good old coriander. I'm gonna chop some fresh coriander. So we're gonna add all that coriander in there, fresh coriander. So next we're gonna go with the garlic. Next is the garlic. We just crush them like that to release all those juices. The garlic needs to be crushed like that, so all that nice juice comes out of it. And then we're gonna chop it to very small pieces. To fine pieces like that. Throw in the garlic just like that. And then next, we're gonna add some onions. So there goes the onions. We're gonna go ahead and add those as well, just like that. So our next ingredient, for that I'm going to add our ground beef. ground beef right there. So we're gonna work all those previous ingredients into the meat like that. Just use your hands. Prefer to use my hands. So we're gonna pour some oil onto our pan like that. So now we're gonna go ahead and grab some of that meat like this, and we're gonna make it all together like that. Then we're gonna go ahead and just put our finger like that, make it flat. That's it. Just like that. Go to the... Then we're gonna place it on the pan. So we're gonna start with our sauce. The sauce that we're going to be using with this meal. Here we have some mustard. Add some mustard in there. Good old mustard. Yeah. In with the mustard. Then we're going to have some Greek yogurt. Good old Greek. Like that. Then we're gonna add some ketchup. I'm gonna go in with the tamarind sauce. It's tamarind. I'm gonna add some black pepper in that. Inner them thing there, black pepper, a little bit of salt, and last we're gonna have sriracha sauce. It's a hot sauce. I like to go with the sriracha. Usually has some very good flavor. Just like that. And then we're gonna go in there and give it a nice mix. Blend all everything together like that. Make sure everything mixes perfectly. We're gonna give that a taste. Wow. So in the meantime, we're gonna give our burgers a little turn like that. We're gonna turn them to the other side, just like that. So there goes our meal. It's looking good. We're gonna go ahead and just get them out. We're gonna add some onions. Some of our chilies. We're also going to add some tomatoes. Yeah. Gonna fry those for a few minutes. So remember, ladies and gentlemen, keep subscribing to our channel on the road to 1,000. Tell this to your friends, share with your relatives, colleagues, family, on the road to 1,000 strong. Keep liking, keep sharing, and keep coming to eat with us. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. There's our sauce. And here's our vegetables. And the mini burgers are looking great, as you can see. I hope you guys enjoy this meal and come back again tomorrow. Bon appetit. Thank you. Good night.